It's the first time we are exhibiting with our distributors at Hannover, and we are so happy because they are all showing different services. For example, we are hinting on our HOSE DOCTOR service. We are having as well the Accumulator service on place. So we are as well showing the Parker tracking system and all the components they are providing to the whole world. And we are very happy that we are growing together to one team with our distributors. Inside the Future Lab, we are showing our great idea wall how to develop innovations. And we are showing as well the process, how we develop together with our customers what they need.